Hello, everybody. Welcome to my channel, Regal Exalted King, where we exalt the Lord, we exalt King Jesus, we find our purpose, and we grow in our faith. So glad to be back. I told you all I would come back in a few days to talk about our upcoming Vision Board Masterclass. So listen, if you did not register for the Women Heading in the right Direction conference on this past weekend, you missed a treat. Yes, I was one of the speakers, and we had about two or three more speakers. We had a singles panel. If you still want to be a part of the Women Heading in the Right Direction conference, I believe it is still available for purchase for the replays, and I will leave that link down in the description below. Also, that will also be the an additional link in signing up for the Vision Board Masterclass that's up and coming. So listen, I hope everyone had an awesome weekend this past weekend. I did, being a part of the conference. Hopefully everybody is on the same page. Those of you that have been participating with family or friends, with coming together to decide what you wanted to do for your vision this year. We're moving into the fourth quarter. Can you believe it? In the next week and a half, a couple of weeks, we will be moving into the fourth quarter. And I am so excited about my progress. And I hope you all have progressed in some of the things that you wanted to do since the beginning of the year. Hopefully, you are reflecting now so you can begin coming into this fourth quarter, going into 2025, what you want to get accomplished to finish out 2024 within the next 45 days that we have for in this year, maybe longer. So I kind of wanted to show you all my what I used for my vision board for 2024. This is mobile, and I wanted to go with this type, because there's many type of different types of vision boards. But anywho, we will talk about more about that in class. Yes, so we're looking forward. We would love for you to join us for our upcoming class and the special. I'm going to have, there's two links here. There's one that you can sign up for. We have an early bird special for $29.99. Yes, $29.99 if you register by this Sunday. That will be at the first link, www.whrd.direction.com, women are heading in the right direction.com link. That's $29.99 through this Sunday, which I believe is the 22nd. Listen, if you signed up at my link below, um, you can join us now. You can get the templates from last year that I had the templates that I have posted under my link. They were not a part of the original vision board class that we started in the fourth quarter. I'm sorry, just before moving into the fourth quarter last year. But sign up now. Between now and Sunday, you would not only get the templates from the 2024 quarter and whatever new templates we have coming on, and you will get the videos if you signed up at my pay hip link. So yes, so the bonus will be the templates that were not a part of the original class. So I hope everyone is doing great. You're staying on top of things. It doesn't matter what area you're on, your timeline. And what I mean by that, we're getting in alignment with God's timetable. This is a Kairos moment. So please reflect on what you have done since the beginning of this year, January 2024. Whenever you started this year, you can start at any time. We will love to have you to be a part. Remember what I said in the previous videos. Regardless of whether or not you signed up with us, of course, we would love to have you, but you should be putting together a vision board where you want to see yourself in the next few months, the next year or two, the next 5 years, 10 years. We have got to get to planning. Please don't stay stuck. Don't stay stagnant. There is a word from the Lord. So please, you have up until this Sunday if you wanted to register for $29.99. And that is at the www.whrd.direction.com at my link, pay hip, at Regal Exalted King. You will get the bonus templates that were not a part of the original class, but I believe it will be a blessing. So that price, along with the videos, will be $49.99. That's under my link, along with last year videos and the bonus templates. If you signed up between now and this Sunday, please invite a friend. I am so excited. And yes, I'm working on some things. I have been working on some things. The full manifestation is not here yet, but yes, it is in progress. It's in action. The process has started. Yes, so I'm excited. I hope you are excited. Please join us. If not, we would love to have you. Please share it with your friends and family, or anybody you just think will love to be a part of this. Of course, we'll be planning for the rest of this year and coming into 2025. So I'm so excited and looking forward to you telling us what you have already accomplished, even if it's just one thing. Listen, it's what you put into it. It's your results. It's your effort. So listen, let's glow up together, okay? So we hope to see you soon, and I will be back maybe within the next week to talk about another topic. Of course, I will be mentioning the Vision Board Masterclass. But anywho, everybody have a great, awesome rest of the week, and we hope to see you soon in a few days or by next week. Have a great day.